Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious dry okra soup for TZ. For protein, I'll be using smoked turkey wings, dry anchovies or kita schoolboys, and some smoked salmon. You can use any protein of your choice. I will make the other ingredients known to you as we cook. I've cut the turkey wings into the size I want off camera and I've placed it inside the pot. So right now I'm adding some chopped onions, after which I'll add ginger and garlic, some seasoning cube and salt to taste. Then I'll add a little water, cover it and allow it to steam. While the meat is on fire, I'll grind some fresh pepper and fresh tomatoes that I'll be adding to the meat later. After adding the fresh tomatoes and pepper, I will add some amount of water and cover this and allow it to continue steaming while I go ahead and grind the dawa and the dry anchovies. Dawa is also known as locust beans. You can add the dry anchovies in whole, but I'm going to grind mine. So after grinding, I will add it to the meat. I will also be adding the smoked salmon at this point. After that, I added small water. I'll cover this and allow it to continue cooking. After it has boiled for a while, I'll then go ahead and add more water to this. So the quantity of water I will add depends on the quantity of soup I'm preparing. So this water is enough for me, so make sure you add the water based on the quantity of soup you are preparing. I will cover this back and let it boil for some few minutes, for about say 10 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and add the dry okra to it. So as we can see, this has been boiling for a while now. I'll go ahead and add the dry okra to it. And this is our dry okra which has been pounded already. So I'm going to add it gradually to the boiling light soup. I'll be adding it gradually while stirring the soup at the same time to make sure it doesn't form lumps. Adding it to the light soup is as simple as what you are seeing on your screen right now. So I've added enough of the okra. This is the consistency that I want. So I'll now go ahead and add some baking soda to this. The baking soda is optional. You add the baking soda if you want your soup to be very slimy, or you can use saltpeter. As you can see, I've added the baking soda and this is how the soup looks like. I noticed the soup is a bit thick, so I added some water to it. You also need to adjust the salt at this point. If the salt is not enough, then you add more salt. I did that, but I couldn't find the clip. So after adding the water and adjusting the salt, we'll allow it to cook on medium heat until it is ready. And that's it. Our dry okra soup is now ready. We served ours with some TZ as always. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a comment, like the video and subscribe.